Everyone, my name is Krista, and in this tutorial, I want to show you how you can share the incredible rubrics that you make or import on CoGrader with another teacher. Come to this screen where all of the rubrics that you have created or imported live. When you find the one that you want to share with someone else, all you have to do is click share, and it automatically copies that link. So then you can paste that link into an email to another teacher and go ahead and click send. When they get the email and click on the link, they will be brought to this screen, and they even see the author's name down there of who created that rubric. And when they click use in CoGrader, they will either be prompted to sign in or create a CoGrader account, and then the rubric will show up right here in their own library. So that is how you can easily and quickly share rubrics with your co-teachers or with other people who just want to know what is it your students are working on in class. This is a great way for grade level partners to make sure that you are all working towards the same goals. So I hope that helped, and until next time,